Hey, in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can create Facebook group. It's easy to do, straightforward. It's my strategy. You can create and grow your Facebook group and grow your audience on Facebook group. It's kind of a good thing, I would say. So you can do that yourself because of I have a lot of experience about Facebook group, because I have a lot of Facebook group, and this group is growing group, like for 30k plus member I have group in that group. So I have a lot of Facebook groups. So today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can increase your member of your group. So let's get started, not wasting time, and deep dive on skin share. So I'm hoping keeping it attention on the video. Go your Facebook, click on there and click on right top option, main option. You can see that profile picture option, click on there, and here is a couple of options you are still see. So first option is group. So groups option, here you need to click on there. So I will click on there. So I have a couple of group, so a lot of group I have, and growing group. So if you create group, you need to click on plus option, and here is a create a group and create a post. So if you have already a group, just you can post in here below option create a post. So it's no need here. So today's lesson, so today's I'm gonna share with you create a group, how to do that. So first of all, you need to click on create a group, click on there, and you need to choose your name, what kind of group you want to create. So it's kind of sports related, religion related, and political related, what type of channel you want to create. And yeah, a lot of niche you have. So let's say I want to create a channel. I have an idea, I'm just doing video randomly. So let's say I want to create group about sports. So I'm just right here football fan. So yeah, that's it. And privacy, here is important thing. So public and private. So here is a important thing you need to know. Private is just only you can access other people for joining your group. You just create link, you just share your group a specific kind of specific kind of people. So no one share that without your moderator and you. So if you create public account, it would be a growing account. So if you want to a lot of audience, if you want that, so you need to create public account, so anyone can see who is in the group and what they post. So anyone can see your post, your group post. So it's important to understand that public group is available here. If you want to create private, it's your your secret, it's your opinion. So today I'm gonna share with you how to create public account. So click on public and click on there and create group. So group is creating right now, creating group. So wait few minutes. So I'm just here. So if you want to invite your friend to join your group, new group, you just invite like that. So and I have invited my friend, couple of friends. So thereafter you need to click on a right above option, you can see next. So click on there, and if you want to add cover photo, you just click on there, and here we say a lot of thing. I'm just putting a random thing, so I'm just putting this. So yeah, so it's not related to my group, so I'm just going to my Google and search here football. So football, and I'm just going to image option, and I'm download here football. So let's say I will take this image. So it's kind of okay. Let's say how it's work or not. Okay, download. Click on download option. It's downloading right now. So I'm going to my cover photo option, Facebook, and here we see this photo. So it's kind of suitable for my group. So it's cover photo. So right now I'm just simple seeing you how to create that. So yeah, I'm here at a cover photo. So it's already done. So I need to click on continue later. Next. So you need to click on next below option, click on there and describe your group. So it's your description of your group, how it's look like. It's kind of, as you know already, it's a football related group, sports related. So I'm just simple showing you how you writing what kind of thing. So you just write your niche about what type of, like mine niche is football, so I'm just writing about sports. So in this group you can see something sports kind of thing thing especially things especially football related or etc. So if you want to write a long, so you can do that. So I'm just showing you how you can do that. So click on next option and here we say choose call, whatever call. So meet people or plan and coordinate learners interest, give and get support, help in an urgent or crisis, buy and sell, promote a business, something else. So I'm just click on randomly something else next. And if you want post something, first of all, so you can just post here. So it's post option. Okay, I'm yet not do that. I'm just showing you just write here and continue. Okay, I'm just doing done. So football fan credit done. If you customize that, you can customize step by step here. MD help your group stand out. Facebook is Facebook is kind of, here is a good thing, because Facebook, when you create a new group, Facebook given this type of thing step by step, how first of all you need to create a post. So you need to create a post like, hey, I'm saying just this. So hey, okay, so posting, so it's done. So and then you need to do invite member. So you just, okay, I'm just showing you how you can do that. Share group, create an event, pin group. So yeah, it's kind of group. So you need to just, it's optimize that. So if you want a video about that, how to SEO Facebook group, I'll create that. So if you want, so it's your group, you can post whatever type of video and you are a admin of this group. So your admin is an admin. So here we say created 7 minutes ago this group. So I have a group and this is my group, so it's 35k member. So yeah, you can do that like me. So okay,